Hello traders, so welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Fibo Machine Pro indicator. Okay, so you can just check the description for the link to download the indicator. After downloading the indicator, you proceed to your indicators folder for MT4 and paste the indicator file in there. After doing that, you just have to refresh your navigator and then you drag and drop your Fibo Machine Pro to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then for your input you can see the custom settings here. Feel free to modify them according to your taste. Okay, so now we can see that the indicator is designed to instantly scan your chart and plot Fibonacci levels without manual drawing. We're just going to go change the color from white. Okay, there seems to be faint text around here, but I don't know why the option to change the color. I don't know why I can't find that. All right, so you can see that it's giving you the direction of the trend up. So the trend is currently bullish, and you can see these levels, these important levels being plotted. So you can, consider these as your take profit targets. Okay, so make sure that you always get confirmations even before executing your trades. When the indicator gives you a signal, when it tells you that the signal is up, you should always get your confirmation before executing. At least you want to look for bullish candle confirmation before executing your trade. The reverse is the case for a sell, right? So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, feel free to do that now, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.